Hey, Ben Norman here, and today I want to talk to you about leveraging and utilising email as another member of your team. Now, a lot of people with GDPR, especially here in the UK, have been a little bit scared off of using email. People are using it less, they're still a little bit concerned. You know, the fact that people need to kind of opt in rather than opt out, you know, not having things pre-ticked, all of this, but you know, it is still worth it. Email is still a very powerful medium, especially for kind of bringing people along and educating them before a sale or slightly after a sale on teaching people how to use a product or software or whatever they've just bought, and then sprinkle in different upsells, different add-ons for that, try and get the next level of the package. And when I say email, I'm not talking about a kind of monthly newsletter that goes out. You know, that is not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about email automation. I'm talking about having specific flows set up so that when people enter into your business, buy certain products, take a certain service, you know what kind of pathway you want to take that user on. You know what a typical pathway is. You know that when somebody buys a certain service from you, there's certain questions that they tend to have. Utilize email workflows and email series to educate the person on that before they have to get in touch, before they have to go to your site and start looking at FAQs or different training modules. You know, have these series that go out. You can put your upsells in there. You can lead people to the next level of that software or the next product they need to purchase. But you need to be looking at email automation. If you're not, you're missing a big trick. It is like having an employee or a team of employees there constantly following up, servicing these clients, making sure they're happy, recommending them the next product. You know, email automation can do all of this for you. So if you are not using email automation and workflows to kind of grow your business, then you are missing a big trick. I'd love to know how many of you currently are using email automation and workflows within your business. If you've picked up any cool little tricks or tips, as always, hit me up in the comments below and let me know.